Discover the fascinating world of rambutan, nature's hairy fruit. Rambutan boasts the striking appearance with its vibrant red and green hairy exterior, captivating all who see it. Originating from Southeast Asia, rambutan thrives in tropical climates, particularly in Indonesia and Malaysia. Packed with nutrients, rambutan is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, boosting your immune system. Its sweet, juicy flesh offers a unique taste experience, often compared to a lychee or grape. Rambutan holds cultural significance in many regions, celebrated in festivals and traditional dishes. Discover more interesting facts about fruits. Follow my channel https://youtube.com/Al-Azher.